Your mom's a hoe.
You clicked on this video either because you want to learn how you can possibly be able to slide your RT or V6 or whatever you need to know or whatever you need to be able to do that to your vehicle. You know what I'm saying? This your video. You know what I'm saying? I'll be telling y'all boys everything you need to be able to do those things on your V6 or your 5.7. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. But once you do that, you put your car in manual, put it in first gear. Put your joint in first gear, first gear. Now that you're in manual and first gear, my boy, you start off with a slight little burnout. See, YouTube, we ain't even made it to the crib yet, bro. I be out here breaking laws for y'all boys, and you still ain't hit that subscribe button yet. Come on, bro. What's up with you? Hit that subscribe button. Look at the tank now, bro. We on E. We on E. Can't lie.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dip, and as you tell from the thumbnail and title, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be telling y'all boys everything you need if you want to be able to slide your Dodge Charger RT, your V6, Challenger, whatever the heck you have. You want to be able to slide your open differential, or, you know what I'm saying, or if you want to do a differential swap, I'll be telling y'all boys everything you need so you can be able to be out here like them Hellcat and Scatpack boys. You're gonna be drifting and sliding. But let's go on and get straight into the video. Alright, y'all boys, I'm back. But you know what I'm saying? First thing first, if you got like a 2018 and up Dodge Charger RT or V6, Challenger, Chrysler, whatever you have, bro, only thing you're gonna need if you want to do a LSD install, that's basically just a differential swap. You can get you a 309 or a 262. Which is a Hellcat diff, and a 309 is a Scatpack. They can get either one of those. Only thing you're gonna need is a differential, and you just basically just plop the thing right on in there. Everything should line up if you have a 2018 and up, I believe. But other than that, if you don't want to do that, you can do this too. If you want to weld your differential, you can weld your differential. It won't make your diff no freaking, it'll make your diff a limited slip diff. Your joint just not gonna slip at all. Only thing with that is your car gonna be sliding every turn, you know what I'm saying? Cause when you turning, if you don't know, sometimes your wheels move at different speeds. So if you got your junk just welded, you gonna slide basically every turn if you hit the gas hard enough. And differentials, you know, you could probably find you a Scatpack or a Hellcat diff for like around like 500, I ain't gonna lie to you. I got mine for cheaper, but it depends on you if you get lucky or not, but they normally go for like 500. And it'll just slide right on in there. But if you have like a 2017 to like a 2015 to a 2017 Dodge Charger or Challenger, Chrysler, whatever you got, V6 or 5.7, we all got the open diffs. You probably gonna need you depending on what you want to do. If you want to do the differential swap, you're gonna have to get you a diff and the axles, bro, because the axles are smaller. I don't know why, but they're smaller. I tried to sell my differentials to somebody and their axles was too small. They had a V6. But once you get the axles in the diff, everything could just, you know what I'm saying, everything could just slide right together. If you don't know, all these Mopars, Challengers, Chargers, whatever, they all the same, bro. Everything gonna bolt right up. Look at this goofy gang. This nigga goofy. Bro, goofy. Bro's a goof. I can't not lie to you. But they tweaking. But you can go the other route, like I said earlier. You can weld your diff also. Welding your diff isn't a bad or good thing, you know what I'm saying? You'll be able to get what you want. You'll be able to slide your car like you want to. drifting gonna be easy, of course. But reversing and making turns gonna be nothing but sliding, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause you welded your diff, that shit just is not gonna slip at all. So it's gonna be a little weird, but you're gonna be able to slide, my boy. But once you do those things, you should be able to slide just like any other freaking Mopar out there. I promise it to you, you know what I'm saying? Only thing you have to do, the two things you need to do to perform a slide or become a slider or drift, whatever the heck you want to call it. First thing first, you just basically put your car in, you put it in manual, bro. You put your junk in manual and keep it in first gear. Before you do your drift, bro, you basically start out with a burnout, you know what I'm saying? Get the tires spinning, and you take off into your turn. Then that junk is gonna slide. So, nonetheless, I'm finna show y'all boys how to do that jump. I'm gonna show y'all boys real quick before we end this video. It's fairly easy. Once you spin the wheels and get this turning, it slide like butter. You know what I'm saying? It's fairly easy. I can't even lie to you. But my boy, if you made it this far in the video, you halfway through the video. I cannot lie to you. So you might as well just hit that subscribe button. Subscribe if you always unsubscribe later. And plus, it helps your boy out. You know what I'm saying? We got a bunch of things to do to this build. We're gonna get them done. If you want to support and you want to see the build modification journey, whatever you want to call it, hit that subscribe button, my boy. I'm trying to be consistent for y'all boys. I'm saying videos, I'm trying to push them things out. But god dang, let me know how y'all boys day going down in the comments, and I'll get right back with y'all boys. I'll be showing y'all boys how to slide, you know what I'm saying? I'll be doing illegal things for y'all boys. Illegal things. So just hit that subscribe button. No kizzy, no cap. I'll be right back. Screw. Alright, YouTube, man, I'm back. But like I said in the last clip, I'm gonna show y'all boys how to drift, you know what I'm saying? Or slide, whatever the heck you want to call it. It's fairly easy once you do the differential swap or weld your diff, whatever the one you prefers. If you have a RT or V6 and you don't got SRT pages, the way you're gonna have to turn your traction off is you're gonna have to basically cut your car off. And when you cut your car off, you basically hold your start button and your freaking traction off button is way low there. It's gonna be hard. You don't need two hands to do it. You basically do that and hold that for a little minute, and it's just gonna say traction stability control off or something like that, right? But if you do have SRT pages on your RT, if you don't know how to get them, you want to know how to get them, just let me know down in the comments. I'll tell y'all boys how you can get SRT pages on your your RT or V6. It's fairly easy. It really don't take much. But if you do, it's just like any other freaking Mopar. You just put it in track or sport, whichever you prefer, and you just hold the traction off button and just keep holding it. And boom, it's gonna say electric stability control off. Once you say that, basically you're ready to slide. And if you don't have the SRT page and you have to hold the button in what's the name, traction control off, it's gonna say the same thing. But once you do that, you put your car in manual, put it in first gear. Put your joint in first gear. Now that you're in manual and first gear, my boy, you start off with a slight little burnout. That's all it takes, my boy, and we're out. Just like that. You saw a slider, my boy. I hope y'all boys seen that. We did some good slides to y'all boys, but that's it. And all it takes to slide, my boy. Once you get that, you're gonna slide like butter, as you could see. As y'all see, I'm pretty sure y'all seen, but as you see, it's fairly easy. But I gotta get up out of there, you know what I'm saying? What's
going on? Y'all are going to jail.
We done slid over there a couple times.
Got him. We fucking got him.
We're getting a little practice in, but as you can see, your boy getting better. No cap. But that easy, bro. Once you get those two things, bro, sliding your freaking Mopar gonna be easy, bro. That's all it takes. Literally. But nonetheless, hope this video helped y'all boys out. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here breaking the law for y'all. All I really ask for y'all boys is hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? It really trying to be consistent for y'all boys. One more thing, I got a question. I want to get a burble tune on the RT, but I don't know where to go. If y'all boys know any tuners or anybody I can go to get a tune on my RT, I am in the Metro Atlanta area, or wherever you want to call it. I'm in any area near Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? I can make it to that. You know? And one more thing, you know, if you're new to the channel, the build do have a long way to go. So if you're interested in car modifications, or if you want to see the journey of the build, you can click my playlist and it'll show you everything I got done to the build and things that I do have coming. I could show y'all boys that in this video. So show y'all boys the stuff that we do have coming for the build. Other than that, then I'm gonna show y'all that, and then I'm gonna let y'all boys go. I'm not gonna waste y'all boys time no more, but I'll be right back with y'all boys when we back at the crib. See, YouTube, we ain't even made it to the crib yet, bro. I be out here breaking laws for y'all boys, and you still ain't hit that subscribe button yet. Come on, bro. What's up with you? Hit that
Stop the cap.
Look at the tank now, bro. We on E. We on E. Can't lie. After doing that sliding, bro, my gas tank light came on, bro. But the car be crackling and everything, bro. I need to get me a burble tune ASAP. Not gonna lie to you, but I'll be right back with y'all boys. Alright, YouTube, man. It's your boy Duck. We back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? I'm back at the crib. We got the lights in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. I did not make a video on installing these. I should have. Not gonna cap. But it was fairly easy. Not gonna lie to y'all boys. But we back at the crib. Finna show y'all stuff. All the stuff we got on the way for the building stuff. Then I'm gonna let y'all boys go. Got the children's getting out of school time. But yo, look at the RT. Thing low. I'm telling you, once I get those Brimbos, bro, you ain't gonna know what it is. I am trying to get rid of this. This is a Scatpack career cradle. But come over here, it's a little mess. Ain't some mess in here, but don't worry about that. This all the stuff we got for the build right now. You know what I'm saying? We got us some big boy Brimbos. Got the Brembo calibers. We got our rear knuckles. We need a few more things before we can do a Brembo conversion on the RT. Once we do that, I will make a video for that for y'all boys on that. We do got our headers too. We just need to get our mid pipes. Once we get the mid pipes, I will have a video out for y'all boys. I don't know if I want to sell those rear shocks or not, or keep them. Really debating. But this is stuff we got going on right now. So if you interested in that and want to see the progress of the build, hit the subscribe button, my boy. You know, got a long way to go and a lot of things we want to do to it. I do need to get a new front splitter. Like, look at this thing, gang. Thing broke on both sides. No cap. But not finna waste y'all boys' time no more. New to the channel, subscribe. I'll catch y'all boys in the next one, and I'm out.